And yes, I am taking video.
Awesome. Alfa Romeo.
Yeah. And yes, this is going up on YouTube, so
Awesome.
I'm just
Good to hear.
telling you that straight up so you know that I have your permission to do this.
You have my permission. It's the Heartland Driving Tour, part of the Des Moines Concourse, coming through Greenfield today.
Cool. Anything else you want to say? A website or?
Look us up on Facebook under Des Moines Concourse. Spelled Des Moines and then Concourse, C-O-N-C-O-U-R-S.
I figure it's only fair I plug you. It's not every day you get to see over $1 million worth of cars drive around your square, so I'm getting video of that. Here, hold on. There we go. That's better. So for those of you who are Rolls-Royce fans, there's apparently a Rolls-Royce limo coming through. You bet your sweet ass I'm getting video of that.
That's part of it.
Yep. Well, like you said, they're probably taking video. Or photos, I mean.
Yep.
Photos. I think I'm going to cut